Implementing a quality management system, or QMS, can transform any organization, whether it's manufacturing, service-based, or not-for-profit. Imagine a streamlined process that enhances efficiency and reduces waste. A QMS helps identify areas for improvement, ensuring that every product or service meets high standards. For manufacturing, this means fewer defects and happier customers. In service organizations, it leads to consistent, reliable experiences that build trust. Not-for-profits benefit too, as a QMS can optimize resources, allowing them to focus more on their mission. Moreover, a strong QMS fosters a culture of continuous improvement, empowering employees to take ownership of their work. This not only boosts morale but also drives innovation. Ultimately, investing in a quality management system is investing in the future, paving the way for sustainable growth and success. Improve product and service quality. A QMS ensures that products and services meet consistent standards, which leads to higher quality and customer satisfaction. Customer satisfaction. By delivering reliable and high-quality products, a QMS helps build trust with customers, leading to repeat business and positive brand reputation. Process efficiency. Standardized processes reduce inefficiencies and waste, making operations smoother and more cost-effective. Compliance with standards and regulations. A QMS helps organizations adhere to industry standards and legal requirements, reducing the risk of non-compliance and penalties. Continuous improvement. A QMS fosters a culture of continuous improvement by encouraging regular monitoring, auditing, and feedback loops to improve processes over time. Better decision-making. Data-driven insights from a QMS enable better-informed decision-making, helping management address issues proactively and identify areas for improvement. Employee engagement. When employees are involved in maintaining quality standards, they tend to feel more engaged, which can improve morale and productivity. Risk management. By identifying and addressing potential risks, a QMS minimizes the likelihood of defects, errors, and operational disruptions. Increased market competitiveness. Organizations with an effective QMS are better positioned to compete, as they can demonstrate consistent quality, reliability, and a commitment to customer satisfaction. Cost reduction. By identifying and eliminating inefficiencies, reducing defects, and improving processes, a QMS can help organizations lower operational costs. In summary, implementing a quality management system is essential for organizations to achieve and maintain quality, improve efficiency, reduce costs, and enhance customer satisfaction. A well-implemented QMS improves an organization's overall performance and provides a foundation for sustainable growth and long-term success.